I got 2021 Kia K5 and it needs mirror. Stay tuned. And after that, all you have to do is disconnect this connector and this to ground. Alright guys, so here's the part number 87611L3020. Here it is. Alright guys, so we have a little situation here. So this is the old one, the one I just took out. And it says, the part number says here, it's a left hand. And when I pull the part out, try to compare it, here it is, and they're not the same. This is actually for the passenger side, but the box says it's left hand, but they put right hand. Bummer. So right now I have to go ahead and put this back and reorder the right one. Alright guys, so I put the mirror back in. Just want to make sure that everything here is work. Okay, goes left, little in, down, works. And how about the blind spot thing? Okay, everything works for now. Okay, let's wait until we get the right parts on that one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.